Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to complete your Pi Network's KYC process. So remember, you have to complete the KYC within the time frame that is left over here, or you will have the risk of losing any Pi coins that you have mined. So without wasting any more time, let's start. First, just simply open your Pi Network application and just simply wait for a few seconds. After that, just simply tap on the three lines at the top left hand side corner. Then just simply select Pi browser. And if prompted, just simply click on the sign in on your account. Now, it will ask you to open through a browser, then it will redirect you to your Play Store if you haven't installed the Pi browser. And if you have installed, it will automatically open the Pi browser, which you can see right over here. Now, once the browser opens, just simply tap on the KYC option. And over here, if you see a message that says KYC slot not available, that means you are not yet eligible. So, in order for you to actually become eligible, you must mine for at least 30 days to even qualify for the KYC. Once eligible, the KYC process will open up for you. Now, once you have completed the qualification phase, the page should open up. So open the page, and after that, first select your language. It is best to choose English as most ID details are in English. Then enter your date of birth, select your country, and then pick your ID type. Now, options usually include driving license card, passport, or any government-based ID card. So select whatever you want. In my case, I will be choosing my government registered ID card. So after making that selection, just simply check the required box and then tap Let's Go. Next, you will be prompted to upload a photo of your ID document. So make sure to follow these rules. First, capture the photo in a landscape mode. Second, ensure the lighting is good so that all the details are clear. Third, the entire ID must be visible. Select the option to capture the front of your ID first. Once the front is captured, you will be prompted to capture the back side as well. If a photo isn't clear, you can delete it and try it again. It's totally up to you. After uploading your document images, you will need to manually enter your details. So fill your name, like for example, first name, middle name if applicable, and the last name. Then enter your date of birth and lastly your ID number exactly as it appears on your document. Also, enter your address details. Make sure that your information is accurate and it should match the ID details information as well. Then proceed to the next step. Now it's time for identify confirmation. When you tap I am ready, your camera will automatically activate for a face verification. Make sure that you are in a well-lit environment. Remove any mask and position your face within the circle that will be shown to you on the screen. Then just follow the instructions and look right, left, up and down in order to complete the process. So after a few moments, your identity will be verified using this method. And once your face verification is complete, review all your entered details and uploaded images. If everything is correct, just simply tap on submit and pay. That will upload your data. Now, after that, a confirmation message will appear indicating your KYC application has been successfully submitted. Now, after submitting your KYC, you must complete the mainnet checklist. This is a mandatory step to ensure your KYC is approved. Follow the steps in the checklist carefully. Some steps are manual while others are completely automatic. Once you finish, your KYC result will be available in few days. And to check your KYC status, just simply open your Pi browser app again. Then just simply tap on the KYC section. And your status should display as paused or approved once the process is complete. If not, double check the details or contact the support team for assistance. And that's it. You have now completed the Pi Network's KYC verification process. Following the steps carefully will help you ensure that you receive your rewards and fully participate in the network. So that's it. You have completed the Pi Network verification process. If this video was helpful, please subscribe to the channel and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.